I got a bit of skin in my artwork the other day, and the boss got it out for me in the kitchen.
Mate, this makes a unit look fucking horrible.
Just the camera.
No, I meant this angle I'm looking at.
It is a competition. One of us has got a hoarding problem.
Yeah, but going to Thailand and not fucking a lady boy is like going to Greece and not getting a kebab.
You heard it here first. Filthy tips from Filthy Phil.
Just
Can we spray some brake clean down it?
Yeah.
Don't tell me you've got to dismantle it to do that. Right. Go on then. Go on then, just fucking go for it. No, it's out. It's out.
Backfire through the thing, innit? Turn that fuel off.
Turn the fuel off quick.
Fucking hell, I know how to live. Where's the brake cleaner at?
He's walking, man. Some fruit to put it down in.
Why is it fucking empty?
That's how I got it. I literally did about 4 squats to set fast to his bike.
So you went, so what you're saying is...
Not a joke, but it was on fire and I pooed myself.
Chuck us another bag in, come. Hey look! It goes all the way. I don't know what daft cunt put this carb together, but I mean, I wouldn't let him work on any of your stuff. I mean, does anybody know who put that throttle cable in?
oh, not fucking.
Because they need some serious reprimanding. Yeah, if you know who did this throttle cable, let us know.
This isn't the quality craftsmanship we crave at Filthy Phil's. That's sexual.
So adorable.
Could give it some show. Oh, I did.
Sounded a bit better, didn't it?
That sounds
Mate, when you open that, I can hear it straight away.
Yep.
Yeah. Yeah, top end now.
He's singing.
Because the bike's not even through.
Nah.
No,
It's just-
even though it's the same bike,
Different
because
bike.
because it's in a different like frame and all the rest of it, and it is slightly different.
It was in a full body first of all, though, wasn't it?
Yeah, I rode it first in purple and black.
You're gonna kill yourself.
Yeah, I'm good.
So, do you feel good now? Good, George. Didn't you want to go to rally in Superman?
Yeah, Western Superman, yeah.
In
End of April, yeah.
But my house is getting shaken. You'll be able to overtake cars down the motorway on that now.
Well, I overtook cars on that, so coming along, they're doing like 40 mile an hour. You get next to them, you're like, you're next to them, you see them look across because there's some cunt on the Vespa next to them, so they fucking drop a gear and hoof it. They keep fucking winding it on, kick forward when you're fucking gone. It genuinely will be like an 80 plus mile an hour scooter. Yeah.
Come over and do a fart. Well, that'll make a wicked intro. That is silent. Absolute waste.
If you've got an Audi, like, especially like an A3 or something that size or bigger,
5 doors is more practical.
why the fuck would you even make it in a 3-door? I get it, it's a sports car, but it's a sports car of a size. Like look, that car, why would you make that car? Because the sheer size of it, why would you make that 2-door?
Mate, if they made a Passat estate 3-door.
God,
That'd be a shooting brake. That'd be fucking sexy.